INCY. Incyte, they had a skin condition trial, Pete, that was going on. Phase 3, which means, of course, that they passed phase 1 and 2. You don't get to skip any of these, folks. But their oral inhibitor targeting this particular skin condition didn't do as well as people thought. It did okay, but it didn't do spectacular. And when you're trading at a PE in the triple digits, people want to see spectacular. They didn't get it, so the stock's down 10%.
Yeah, stock getting beat up a little bit. As you said, you're in phase 3. The positive side is they passed their way through phase 3, and it was viable and all the rest of it. But the problem is, as you said, it's not the language that they used is it's not competitive. And that's a problem right out at the gate, right? I mean, so you want to beat somebody, you want to get that next level out there that's better than the previous, right? And that's an area that they weren't able to do. Now these guys have all kinds of partnerships, John. They work in oncology, they work in dermatology, all of the rest of that. They've got folks out there like Lilly and Novartis as partnerships here and there. They've got quite a few actually. Those are some of the big names, but this is an interesting one. I look at Incyte and, yeah, it's a biopharma, so it's going to have higher PEs and all the rest of it. But I think that they've got a deep enough grouping of what they've got in phase 3, what they've got also in phase 2 and phase 1. This is when you look at the balance sheet, it's freaking phenomenal. I mean, the dollars that are sitting in there, John, I mean, it's a $2 billion in cash. Their free cash flow is $620 million. And then they've got $60 million in debt, which is nothing compared to the $2 billion in cash. So from that standpoint, I'm still excited to at least wait and see if this is something that might be overdone because of the reaction today. And if so, I think this stock has a really good chance to start moving back up to the upside, at least to where it was, and maybe even a little further than that. So I'm watching it very close.